That may be my biggest Susquehanna smallmouth ever. The best fish I've ever caught up here. Chatterbait! Chatterbait! Well, good morning, y'all. Here we are, we're back. It's almost been a year later. We're at Susquehanna River in Pennsylvania, up here for the TKS. Welcome back to Country Kids Outdoors, and I appreciate y'all watching today. If you could, hit that like and subscribe button, we sure appreciate it. Hopefully we'll bring you some big smallie pigs. So stay tuned. We got one, y'all. Got one on the board. It's a nice one too. Nice one. Oh yeah, y'all. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh yes. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Look at that hoss. Best fish I've ever caught up here. Look at it. It's a nice one. Look at it, y'all. It's a nice one. Hope y'all got that on film. Let's see how big it is. There's the first one at Susquehanna, y'all. 16-incher. It's a nice fish. Let's get that baby back in the water. Oh yeah. Y'all, nice one. Nice one, y'all. Oh yes, oh yes. That's a hoss. That may be my biggest Susquehanna smallmouth ever. Man, he swallowed that thing. Oh yeah. That's the way I need to be as I thought it was. It's a nice one. You guys from West Virginia? No, we Western North Carolina. Okay. Yep. You can tell we didn't have a Jersey accent, did we?
The river's pretty low right now.
Boy, it is. We're hating it really. So we're gonna struggle with it, you know. So, sir, look at that, y'all. See what this one is. Here you go, y'all. 16.5, the second one I caught. Buzzbait. So here we go. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. Nice. Oh yes. Chatterbait. Chatterbait. Nice one. Nice one. Chatterbait. I mean, he inhaled that baby. Look at that, y'all. Nice. Let's get a measurement on this baby. Oh yeah, 17 1/4, my biggest yet. That's Susquehanna. That's a nice one. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. 17 1/4. I want to show y'all. It's the Chatterbait green pumpkin. It's either like a green or blackish blade with the spunk shad on the bottom of it with a little bit of chartreuse on the tail. So if y'all are coming up here, check it out. Well, I'm gonna have to get out and walk, ain't I? yeah, y'all. Nice. Chatterbait City, baby. So I bet ripped the rod out of my hand. That one did. That one, y'all. Check it out. It's a nice one. Let's get a measurement on it. I lost that one, y'all. I didn't have my net up. Oh well. I gotta do better now. Yeah, the boy at the bottom's soft, isn't it?
Get him in there, Steve.
Yes.
Awesome. Pretty good.
Pretty nice one.
Yeah,
I think he stayed on.
you got it. Don't grab a line.
Just right by the edge.
Scoop him up with your hand there. He'll get off if you grab that line. Good one.
Yeah.
Stay on there. Stay on there. Yes, y'all. Praise the Lord. 17 and a half. There you go, y'all. That's what we're looking for right there. That's a monster. Yeah. Yes. $14 3/4. Yeah, there he goes. Little 12 incher, y'all.